Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I have started finally taking my skincare routine seriously, and I think that you need to as well. And you are definitely going to need this product by Tula if you are like me and you are trying to get control of acne, maybe some breakouts, and maybe just some general redness in your skin. This toner has helped me tremendously. So I use this twice a day and it just takes a little bit, one pump of this. It's a clear kind of like gel like consistency. And it just takes one pump and then I'm able to spread that onto my skin. I do this after I wash my face in the morning and then again when I wash my face at night. And I find that it really helps to reduce the redness on my skin. It helps me to just have like kind of a more even complexion. So it's fantastic to use before I put my makeup on. It helps me to have a really great base. And also I find that it has really helped to keep my crazy breakouts that I will get to a minimum. So I'll still get breakouts here and there, or I'll still get like an acne here and there, but it has really helped me to stay on top of that. I find too that if I do get a zit here and there, if I just kind of apply like not even a dot, but just like a little bit more on that area, that it really helps it to clear up a lot faster than if I didn't. I love this product. I think that you should check it out if your situation is a little similar to mine and you could use a toner on your skin. I think you will love this, but that's just my point of view.